back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate it. So in today's video, I am sharing with you guys my May and June empties. We go through a lot of products in our home, and I know it's always a lot when I come on here, and I want to try to do this once a month because so it's not so long and it's not so much product. So I'm going to attempt to do that, and I apologize, I meant to do that last month but I didn't. But I do want to share with you guys my empties. I love watching empties and seeing what people liked and didn't like and what they enjoy and don't enjoy, if they would repurchase. So I want to share them with you guys. I will have some repeats that I've done over and over again because they're favorites. I won't spend too much time talking about each of them. So let's just go ahead and get into the video. This is the Honest Company dish soap lavender filled. I shared this haul with you guys last year, maybe the beginning of the year. It's probably been longer. I ordered these off the Honest website. They're very inexpensive, like $3, and you get 24 fluid ounces. I really do enjoy these. They smell great. They are made with no chemicals, no bad products, anything like that. The only thing that I find is that I do use a lot more than I normally would, just because of the fact that it doesn't have all that other stuff in it. You do need a little more to get things clean, but it's not bad. I would repurchase that. AOA Studio from Shop Miss A, pure sanitizing hand wipes that I ordered. This was in a haul some time back. It's the mint scent, and it's 15 count. I did enjoy these. I did buy extras, and I would repurchase those for $1. You can't beat it. This is a Bath & Body Works Fresh Sparkling Snow Fragrance Mist. This was gifted to me at Christmas from my friend Little Miss Nat, who's Nat from Little Miss Nat, excuse me. I love this. I would repurchase it. It smells amazing. Love it. This is a body wash from the Dollar Tree. This is Valerio body wash in rose and coconut. Hydrate, no parabens, no dyes. And this is a 10 fluid ounce for $1. I thought this was a awesome steal. I did enjoy this. It was a little liquidy, so you have to use a little more than you normally would. But for me, that doesn't bother me. For $1, that's absolutely fine. So yeah, I would repurchase that. This is from Pink. It's the Coco Chill Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil and Coconut Oil Body Scrub. 10 fluid ounce. This was really, really nice. I really enjoyed it. The smell was really nice. It has water in there. The smell was really nice. My body felt so good after using this. I've already repurchased this in different scents. I do really enjoy it. And it's a 2-in-1. It's a body scrub and body wash. It gets real soapy when you're rubbing it into your body. So I really like that. Your skin gets left feeling very soft, hydrated, and nice. This is a hand soap from Valerio from Dollar Tree, Jasmine and Orange Blossom Hand Wash, 10 fluid ounces. I already repurchased more of these. I love them. For $1. You cannot beat them. They're just as good as the Bath & Body ones in my opinion. This is a Bath & Body Vanilla Cloud hand soap, and this is whipped vanilla, apple blossom, and sandalwood with vitamin E, shea, aloe, and other oils. I absolutely love this scent. I would definitely repurchase it. I love the packaging, but this scent was so nice. I fell in love with it when I was using it, and I kept saying to myself, I have to get more of this scent because it just smells so good. So yes, I would repurchase that. These are my Members Mark's flushable bottom wipes. You guys know I love these. I constantly repurchase them. Constantly will. They're just great. This is the Up and Up brand from Target, disinfecting wipes. They're like Clorox wipes travel pack. I have these in my vehicle. It's a 10 pack. I think they're like 79 cents. I enjoy those. They're great. I keep them in my vehicle. This is an exfoliating coffee body scrub from Mind Tan for buttery smooth skin. This was my daughter's, and she just sticks her empties in here. I'm assuming she enjoyed it. I don't know. I couldn't honestly tell you guys. I think she got that in an Ipsy, but she seemed to have enjoyed it because she used it all up. So My kids have this thing where they put all their empties in my stuff now because they know that I do this video. So this was a sample I received from Sampler from Persil. This was a laundry detergent, 1 disc. I absolutely love these. I would repurchase them in the full size because they just do really nice on the laundry. I love them. This was a Suave hand cleaning wipes with 10 wipes with vitamin E. This was in my purse. I got this at the Dollar Tree. I do have extras. Yes, I would repurchase. I liked them. They're great. This is another hand wash from Valerio from Dollar Tree. Chamomile cucumber. And I've already repurchased that. Absolutely love it. For $1, I think you cannot beat these. They are comparable, in my opinion, to Bath & Body, and they're great, so why not? Okay, I have this body wash. This is the White Rain Moisturizing Body Wash in Lavender Escape. That was my daughter's. She did enjoy this. I constantly repurchase that for her from the Dollar Tree. This was my son's. This is the Xexcite Intense Attraction Body Wash. This was from Burlington. He actually found it at Burlington for $2.99, which is a steal because I think at Target and Walmart they're like $4.99, somewhere around there. He enjoyed that. This is the Biologe Full Density Shampoo, 13.5 fluid ounce, the shampoo and conditioner. I had purchased these for myself right there. I bought these at Ulta. I had purchased them for myself, but my kids were dealing with some dry scalp, and this has tea tree oil in it, and so I gave this to them and they finished it all up. They did like it. I liked it too when I did initially get it. I used it. I liked it, but I did give that to them. Okay, this is a Bath & Body Aromatherapy Energy Orange and Ginger Body Wash. I love these. I've already repurchased it and constantly will. When they're on sale, I don't ever pay for them full price. I always get them on sale because I feel that you get the better deal. This is Bath & Body Aromatherapy as well. Moisturizing Body Cream Rose Vanilla. I love this. I've already gotten a new one. My kids gifted me another one of these for Mother's Day, so I'm excited about that. This is an air freshener and Hawaiian Breeze from Dollar Tree. Love those. Would repurchase. I don't like that scent. My husband does. He loves that scent, but sometimes I'll go back and forth. I'll get what I like and then get what he likes. Personally, that's too strong for me, but he likes it. Here's another one of those Pro Clean Discs detergents that I got in Sampler. Love those. This is a Yes to Ultra Hydrating Coffee under eye mask. I did try to use this. Unfortunately, when I opened the packaging, it was completely dried out. So I wanted to save this for you guys just to show you. It wasn't empty, but I had to throw it away because it was completely dried out, which I was really sad about. But it says here that it has coconut and coffee to moisturize and depuff with 95% natural ingredients. I do have another one. I'm hoping it's not dried out, but I would repurchase one just to be able to try because I was super excited. This was my daughter's. This is the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Deep Conditioning Curl Mask, and she loved this. I got this at Ulta, and I would repurchase it for her. She loves these Curl Talk products from Not Your Mother's. Oh, here's hers too. That is the leave-in conditioner. She enjoyed that one as well. She loves those. She has me repurchase those for her, or the ones from the Dollar Tree that I've showed you guys before. This is another one of my feminine washes from the Dollar Tree. Already repurchased that. You guys know I love that. This is my conditioner from Kristen S. Signature One. You guys know I absolutely love this conditioner. I've already repurchased it. I love the smell of it. It just smells so good. I don't even know how to explain the smell of it, but it's just, I love it. It's amazing. And that's why I keep repurchasing it. But it's also really, really good too, in my opinion. We did go through 3 toothpastes. I told you guys I get these at the Dollar Tree. They're the Colgate 2-in-1 Icy Blast Whitening. These are awesome. I've told you guys many times before, Walmart and Target still has these for almost $4, but I get them for $1 at the Dollar Tree, and anytime I go and they have them, I pick up plenty because why not? So yeah, we finished 3 of those. I did finish this Olay Mist Ultimate Hydration Essence Energizing spray right there. This was nice. I don't feel like it was super hydrating, but it did make my face feel okay, and it did smell great. I would not repurchase it though, because for me, I need more hydration. I did finish up a Secret deodorant solid. I like this. I get these from the Dollar Tree and they're great. These, if you find them at the Dollar Tree, pick them up, because for $1 you can't beat it. They are at Walmart and Target for like $4 something, almost $5. So it's an acne cover patch that I got, probably in Allure or something. It had 8 clear patches. They were okay. I don't feel that they really did a whole lot. Personally, I like the ones from the Dollar Tree because I feel like they do something. When I get up in the morning, I feel like my pimple is a lot less reddened and all of that. These, I didn't feel like they did anything. I would not repurchase that. This is the Wishful Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub from Huda Beauty's line, I think it is. I really like that. I would consider purchasing it in a mini or a full size. That was really nice and not irritating on the skin at all. I finished this Bliss Micro Magic Skin Renewing Micro Abrasion Scrub. I got this not last year, not this year, May, for my birthday. I think the last year, 2020, I want to say, or it could have been 2019, but I finally did finish that, and I really did enjoy it. I would repurchase it. It was really nice, really gentle, didn't irritate my skin or anything, and my skin felt really soft afterwards. This is a Valerio Cleansing Jelly Facial Balm made with coconut oil. This was okay. I don't know that I really enjoyed it. I mean, it did get the makeup off, but it's a weird consistency, and I don't know that I care for that. I don't think I would repurchase it again. It wasn't horrible, but I don't know if I care for the consistency so much. So yeah, there's that. This is the DHC Deep Cleansing Oil. I got this, I think, in a BoxyCharm, maybe Allure, Ipsy, something, I don't know. But I really did enjoy this. I already added it to my favorites list on Ulta because I would repurchase it. It smelled like olive oil, felt like olive oil, and it did take the makeup off really nicely. Didn't irritate or burn my eyes or anything, so I would repurchase that. This is the Lancome Regenerate Lift Multi-Action Lifting Serum for lifting, firming, and plumping. I love this. I love the Lancome line with this purple in it, and yes, I would repurchase it. They are pricey, but if you can get them on sale, I definitely recommend it, or in a nice kit. Usually department stores would do that. I would say pick it up because it's great. I definitely have a lot of skincare in my possession right now, so I'm not trying to purchase any, but honestly I really want to because I absolutely love that line of skincare, and with me getting older, I think it's very important. This is the 3-Skin 3-Phase Anti-Blemish Booster. This from a BoxyCharm, most likely, I want to say, and I really did enjoy it. It felt really nice on the skin, and I love this brand. At first I didn't know about this brand until I got it, but I have gotten several other things, and I absolutely love what I've used so far from them. So yeah, really enjoy that. It's very pricey, so I won't say that I would repurchase it, but if it wasn't so expensive, I would. But I love getting them in the boxes for sure. The Kypris Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. I got this in a BoxyCharm. It was a special thing that was made for BoxyCharm, or put in box, because it says on the back, made exclusively for BoxyCharm. I absolutely love this. I have gone on their pop-ups so many times trying to see if I can find this, and it is sold out every time, but it's so good. If you have dry skin, you will love this. This stuff just soaks up in the skin, feels amazing on the skin. I did go to their website. It is kind of pricey, but I would buy it. Like I was saying, I absolutely love this. It's an awesome product. If you have aging skin or even just dry skin, you will love this. It just makes the skin feel so plump, so juicy. I will try to locate it and put it down in the description because I do recommend this so much. Especially I want to get one for when winter comes around. I have some ColourPop, their milks or whatever, their ColourPop milks that they have. I have a set of 3, and the consistency reminds me of this a lot. So I'm going to see if it makes my skin feel just as good as this. Then I won't need to, but I absolutely love this. Can't say enough. This was a sample I got of La Roche-Posay sunscreen with 50 SPF. I love that. Yes, I would purchase it in a full size. It was great. And it didn't leave a white cast on my face. This was my daughter's. It was a Wet n Wild lip scrub that I had given her, and she finally finished it up. She kept it in her shower for some reason, and she did it when she was in the shower. I thought it was weird, but she liked it. Okay, and then this is the Bare Minerals Lashtopia Mega Volume Mascara in black. I did finish that up right there. It was a travel size. I did enjoy it. I wouldn't say it was my absolute favorite, but mixed with another mascara, it seemed to do okay. This is the ColourPop Land, one of the lip balms that I got in that ColourPop Candyland set sometime last year. There it is there. It's all gone. You can see. I would put this on every night. This one is in, can't really see it, peppermint. So I have 2 more of these. I have 2 more of these, and I really, really liked it. It hydrated the lips so good. So I'm not going to be so quick to finish the other 2 because I went through this one fairly quickly, surprisingly, but I really, really did enjoy it, especially for throughout the day, just when my lips felt really dry. This is my AOA Studio Slim Brow in dark brown. You guys know I absolutely love this. I already have backups and would repurchase it and definitely recommend it. So good for $1. It's a sample that I got from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This was the foundation, the Dewy Foundation in 150. I loved it. I want to repurchase it in the full size, but I don't need it right now. I want to finish up a couple of foundations, and when I do, I want this because it looked beautiful on my skin. And the match was perfect. Last item is a perfume from Victoria's Secret Angel Gold. And I did enjoy it. It was a little on the stronger side. Would I repurchase it in a full size? No, but I did like it. So that is everything, guys. There's all my empties for May and June. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It does help my channel. Let me know if you've tried any of these products or if you like them, and if you didn't like them. If you have a video with empties, let me know that down below. I'd love to see that. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for taking time. I really appreciate it. This is going to complete the video for today, but I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.